Hello guys, today we are watching video about POS order on account. First of all, I am telling you what is the use of POS order on account. It is used for reserve order without paying any amount. It is used for reserve order and product on customer account without paying any amount. And when customer pay amount of order, then this order is confirmed. So now go for the functionality of this module. So first of all, go to in the point of sale and start shopping. Here you can see the on account button. If they click on this on account button and show the reserve order of this POS. This is only one reserve order is here. So back out and create one POS order. Here you can payment. Here this payment is not reserved. If you can click on account button, then this order is reserved without pay any amount. So click on account. So here display the three products and his quantity and create sale order of these orders. So okay, this order is reserved. Now go to the on account and pay the amount for this reserve order. So here and you can go to the on account and select our quantity and add on the account. Here all quantities and all our order is add into the cart and go for a payment for this order and validate the order. So this is all about on account functionality. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you can enjoy this video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.